In this example, let's see how we can use pointer to access the string. Okay, here I'm storing this hello inside this array of the character, okay, of size 10. str is the name. Okay, I'm declaring pointer, that is ptr. Okay, I'm pointing to str. Okay, here the address of the string, okay, address of the first letter of the string is stored in the ptr. Okay, and here I am trying to print using this %s format specifier for the string. It will print complete hello, okay, in the output. Okay, and if I try to print using this %c, it will print only the first character of the string. Okay, okay, let's run the example and test it. Okay, after that I will explain this part. Okay, this is just to concatenate two strings. Okay, first I will run this example. See, in the first printf statement, it is printing the entire hello. Okay, entire string, that is hello. Okay, in the second, the first character of the string is, okay, %c. I am printing only single character. Okay, it will, like, if we use this pointer, it will point only to the first character. Okay, first character of the string, that's why it is printing only h. Okay, and if we change this to d, okay, it will print 72. Why? Because 72 is the ASCII number of the capital H. Okay, let's see here. See, 72 is the ASCII value of the letter H. Okay, and to concatenate two strings, okay, I'm using one more string, that is in the variable star suffix. It is pointing to the string word. Okay, it will point to the first character of the string word. Okay, here it is backspace. Okay, I am pointing to the backspace of this string word. Okay, and by using this strcat, this is for concatenating two strings, it will concatenate the ptr and suffix. Okay, first hello will be printed, after that space word will be printed. Okay, by using printf statement, the concatenate string is like will print the output. Okay, using this %s format specifier, and the concatenated string is stored in the ptr. Okay, that's why we are using this ptr. Okay, I will run the example. See, the concatenated string hello word is printed. Okay, like this we can use this character pointer to access the string. Okay, thank you.